another lesson or takeaway is if you look at the individual days, like this is every single stream, okay, over these 2 years is represented by these. You can see the average viewers. Look at this day right here. Sunday, January 12th, 2020. I had 121 average viewers on that day. The max viewers on that same day, January 12th, was 429. We got some insane raid on that day. And we held an average of 121. Remember that. The average viewership was skyrocket higher than anything else. The max viewers skyrocket higher than anything else. You would think that some of these other numbers would follow, right? Let's look how many follows there were on January 12th. January 12th, 7 follows. Not hundreds, 7. That was less than just some the week before and the week after. Subs, how about subs on that day? January 12th, 2 subs. Here's a takeaway from that. A lot of people want like raids. They feel like raids is the way that you grow. Why doesn't anybody raid me? Why don't I ever get any big raids? That was by far the biggest raid I've ever gotten. But it didn't translate into any observable metric other than just one big spike on average viewership and max viewers. So this is just a lesson to any other streamers is don't depend on raids. They're cool, they're fun, they're hype moments for sure, but they're not what bring you sustainable growth. It's all about bringing value. It's all about being a real person and investing in people's lives and building community and doing all the things that we know we need to do, but we often look at raids as a shortcut. It doesn't work. There's the proof. That doesn't work. It's all these other things that have shown the growth.